Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, adding Google Widget to the home screen provides quick access to useful information such as weather updates, calendar events, news, or search functions. And this also enhances convenience by allowing you to view important information at a glance without opening the Google app. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to begin, long press any area on your device home screen to access additional options. Okay, and from the menu that appears, select Widgets, and then scroll through the available widgets until you locate the Google option. Okay, and then tap on the downward arrow to expand the selection and search for the Google Search widget. Okay, once you find the Google Search widget, long press on it and place it on your home screen as desired. Okay, this action successfully displays the Google Search widget on your device home screen, providing quick access to Google Search functionality directly from your home screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.